The story of alien encounters and UFO sightings has intrigued humanity for decades. While there is no concrete evidence of extraterrestrial life visiting Earth, numerous reports and accounts have fueled speculation and curiosity. Here's a long-form exploration of the alien story. Part 1. Early accounts, ancient myths, and legends. Throughout history, many cultures have woven tales of celestial beings and visitors from the stars into their mythologies. These stories often describe interactions between humans and other worldly beings, leading some to speculate that ancient civilizations had contact with extraterrestrial entities. The 1947 Roswell Incident. The modern era of UFO sightings began in earnest with the Roswell Incident. In 1947, an unidentified object crashed near Roswell, New Mexico. The U.S. military initially claimed it was a flying disc, but later revised the statement to say it was a weather balloon. This incident became a focal point for UFO enthusiasts, sparking conspiracy theories about government cover-ups. Part 2. The UFO Phenomenon. Project Blue Book. In response to a wave of UFO sightings in the 1950s and 1960s, the U.S. Air Force initiated Project Blue Book to investigate and catalog UFO reports. While most cases were explained as natural phenomena or hoaxes, a small percentage remained unexplained, fueling belief in UFOs. Abductions and close encounters. The 1960s and 1970s saw a rise in reports of alien abductions and close encounters. People claimed to have been taken aboard spacecraft, subjected to medical examinations, and returned with vivid memories of their experiences. These accounts added a new layer of complexity to the UFO phenomenon. Part 3. Scientific and government involvement. Search for extraterrestrial intelligence (SETI). The scientific community has also been involved in the search for extraterrestrial life. Projects like SETI use radio telescopes to scan the cosmos for signals from other civilizations, although no conclusive evidence has been found. Government disclosures. In recent years, governments have declassified and released previously classified information related to UFO sightings. In the United States, the Pentagon confirmed the existence of a secret program, the Advanced Aerospace Threat Identification Program (AATIP), dedicated to investigating UFOs. Part 4. The Fermi Paradox. The Great Silence. The Fermi Paradox raises the question of why, given the vast number of potentially habitable planets in the universe, we have not yet made contact with extraterrestrial civilizations. Various theories attempt to explain this paradox, including the possibility that advanced civilizations self-destruct or simply remain hidden. Part 5. Alien conspiracies and pop culture. Conspiracy theories. UFO sightings and alleged government cover-ups have given rise to numerous conspiracy theories. Some believe that governments are in contact with aliens and are concealing this information from the public. Others claim that governments have reverse-engineered alien technology. Pop culture impact. Alien encounters and UFO sightings have had a significant impact on popular culture. Films like Close Encounters of the Third Kind and E.T. the Extraterrestrial explore the theme of contact with extraterrestrial beings. TV shows like The X-Files have further fueled fascination with the unknown. Part 6. The ongoing mystery. The story of aliens and UFOs remains an ongoing mystery. While skeptics argue that most sightings can be explained by natural phenomena or human-made objects, believers maintain that there is substantial evidence pointing to the existence of extraterrestrial life. As technology advances and our understanding of the cosmos deepens, the quest to unravel the truth behind the alien story continues. Until concrete evidence emerges, the mystery of whether we are alone in the universe remains unanswered, leaving the door open to endless speculation and wonder. Part 7. The Drake Equation and Exoplanets. The Drake Equation. In the quest to understand the possibility of extraterrestrial life, scientists like Dr. Frank Drake formulated the Drake Equation. This formula attempts to estimate the number of advanced civilizations in our galaxy capable of communicating with us. It considers factors such as the rate of star formation, the fraction of stars with planets, and the likelihood of life evolving on those planets. Exoplanet discoveries. In recent years, astronomers have made remarkable discoveries. of exoplanets, planets outside our solar system that are within the habitable zone of their stars. These findings have raised hopes that there may be Earth-like worlds where life could exist. Part 8. Alien Contact Hypotheses, the Zoo Hypothesis. Some theorists propose that extraterrestrial civilizations may be aware of us, but are intentionally avoiding contact. This idea, known as the Zoo Hypothesis, suggests that we are like zoo animals being observed from a distance. The Prime Directive Hypothesis, inspired by the Star Trek series. This hypothesis suggests that advanced civilizations have a prime directive or non-interference policy. They may avoid contact with less advanced civilizations to allow them to develop naturally. Part 9. UFO sightings in the 21st century. Modern sightings. UFO sightings continue into the 21st century. Pilots and military personnel have reported encounters with unidentified flying objects that exhibit extraordinary flight capabilities. These sightings have reignited public interest and led to calls for further investigation. Part 10. The impact on religion and philosophy. Religious perspectives. The possibility of extraterrestrial life has prompted theological discussions in various religions. Some believe that the existence of aliens is compatible with their faith, while others grapple with the theological implications of such a discovery. Philosophical considerations. Philosophers ponder the implications of contact with extraterrestrial civilizations. Questions about ethics, morality, and our place in the universe are explored, often delving into the realms of science fiction and thought experiments. Part 11. The future of the alien story. The story of aliens and UFOs continues to evolve as scientific research, technological advancements, and societal perspectives change. While skepticism remains, there is a growing openness to the possibility of extraterrestrial life, driven by scientific discoveries and a desire to explore the mysteries of the cosmos. As we venture further into space exploration, with missions to Mars and beyond, the search for signs of life outside Earth intensifies. The ongoing efforts of organizations like SETI, the advancements in astrobiology, and the ever-increasing array of powerful telescopes offer hope that one day we may find evidence of extraterrestrial existence. In conclusion, the story of aliens and UFOs is a complex and enduring narrative that touches on science, belief, philosophy, and the human imagination. It captivates our curiosity, challenges our understanding of the universe, and encourages us to explore the boundless possibilities of what may exist beyond our own planet. Until definitive evidence is discovered, the question of whether we are truly alone in the cosmos remains one of the most profound mysteries of our time.